Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 3-litre D250 X Dynamic HSE 90, finished in Gondwana stone metallic exterior paint, with 20-inch, 5-spoke, satin dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors with blind spot assist, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the rear door we have the full-size spare wheel. As we look now behind the rear door, we can see the 40/20/40 rear folding seats and the load space. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the ebony Windsor seats, which come with ISOFIX child seat mounts, and we can see the centre console with the climate vents. Looking into the front of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof and the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the DAB radio and the 3D surround camera system, which offers various views around the vehicle and the off-road views. On the centre console we can see the climate controls with the right-hand buttons and USB ports. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.